Hello everyone, my name is Mohit and I welcome you all in MongoDB series. In this series, in this video, we will learn about the unordered insertion and find method. Let's start with unordered insertion. What is unordered insertion? On the official document, it has been written that ordered boolean value. If we specify ordered boolean means true or false. By default, is true. By default value is true. If don't provide anything, it will take automatically true. Ordered true. Perform ordered insert of document in array. If an error occurs with one document, consider you are inserting three document and error occurs in second document. MongoDB will return without processing the remaining document in the array. Means MongoDB if error occurs in second document, then MongoDB will not insert second as well as third document. But if you make it false, means unordered insert. If an error occurs with one of the document, then MongoDB continue processing the remaining documents in the array. Default value is true as we have already discussed. Okay, let's see with some examples. So first of all, use Mongo shell. So I'm in Mongo shell. Use test unordered. So you can make any DB. I'm making a new DB for the experiment purpose. So switch to the DB test unordered. Now let's insert one document. DB collection name I take B brand one dot insert. So I'm inserting three document ID underscore ID. It's dictionary kind of thing. Second document and third document. First document ID 10. Brand Dell underscore ID 10. So I'm giving again 10 in order to produce error. Okay, brand Intel underscore ID 11 brand Wacom. Okay, after pressing enter, you can see there is an error, obvious error. Test unordered brand ID 10 and inserted one document. If let's see how many document we have inserted. db dot brand one dot find. It's it's db dot not comma. So you can see only one document before error occurred at this point. So MongoDB inserted only one document, not the document after the error. Okay, now let's see the effect of unordered. So I'm making a new table, new collection, brand 2, similarly all the things, and here after this one I'm writing ordered false, but should be in the dictionary kind of form, document form. Okay, it's a document form. Error is there, but you can see inserted two document. Let's see what are these documents. Brand 2, brand 2, 10 and 11. Okay, so in the document in which error occurs, leave that document and continue with the next document. So this is the unordered insertion. I hope you got the idea of unordered insertion. Now let's study the find method in detail. We have seen find method to obtain all the records. But consider your document, your MongoDB database or collection contain 100, 200, 300, 400 record, and you want to uh, obtain a specific record, two specific record, three specific record, or three different kind of specific category of record. Okay, so in that way, we use some specific type of find method. Now let's see the find method. You have seen find method to find the all the records. But consider I want to find the specific record. Just imagine your collection contains a lot of record, 100 record, 200 record, 1000 record, 10,000 record, and you want to obtain a specific type of record, specific category of record. Then we have to use some special thing like query and projection. Query means query belongs to row, projection belongs to column. If I need the row which belongs to which fulfills some criteria, so I use the query. If I need, okay, I need this column first to, or this name and ID column, so I will use projection. First of all, let's study the query. For the experimentation purpose, I am inserting some record. I have inserted brand Dell quantity 4, brand Dell Intel quantity 5, similarly quantity 6, and brand gigabyte or gigabyte quantity 2. So this is a small document, first document, second document, third document, fourth document. If I use db.store.find, not an issue, 4 records. But I need the record in which uh, quantity is greater than 5. Quantity is greater than 5. So I will use operators. Find field name quantity QTY, then operators, and we will use operator like a document. So make a new document, and I'm saying greater than. So greater than operator is $GT. GT means greater than 5. Done. So I'm getting only 5. Okay. Similarly you can use greater than 4. So I'm getting 5 and 6. So in this way you can use greater than. See, this is a one document. In this document there is another document. So quantity, this column means equal to kind of thing, greater than 4, or here greater than 5. So these are the operators. Okay. So now let's see the next example, equal to. Consider I want to find the record in which ID is equal to this one. So I can use db sorry db.store.find a document underscore ID. I need this one. If I know the ID, copy and paste. So I'm getting the associated record complete. Okay. So this is kind of equal to. Like in, I need the record which contain the ID, this one and this one. Okay. This one and this one. So I can use in operator. ID, what, new, what, in, then a array. You can imagine this is a list of Python, comma, and second one, this one. Did I miss something? This one. So first of all, complete this one. Done. Then this one done. Yeah, this is missing. So use one more. So instead of using this one, use this one. So now I'm getting the two records which contain these IDs. Okay, so this is about the in operator. So we have seen GT and in operator. Now let's see how to use GT means greater than with dates. Now I'm going to insert a complete, very complex data, complex table, complex collection. Yeah, I have already written this code, so I'm going to copy paste this one. Or Control A, Control C, and here paste here. So its collection is db.biosparse.find. You can see I have inserted the records. So this is ID1 name, and this is ID2, this is ID3, this is ID4. Okay, ID5, ID6, ID8, ID9, ID10. And there are some date like birth date and death date. I want to find the records in which birth date is greater than 1950, 1st January. So I am using db dot its collection name find, and here our document birth birth greater than a new document gt greater than date. Date is what? 1950 0101. You can see I'm not getting anything. Why? Because this date is a string here, but here this date is like a date object. Okay, so we cannot compare this date string from date object. So we need date object. So I am inserting a new keyword here, that is new. Now I'm getting some record like ID6, ID8, ID19. Date is greater than 1950. Date is greater than 1950. Okay. So in this way, you can use date by the new keyword. So friends, in the next video, we will see more operators and projection. Okay. So stay with us, stay tuned for next episode. Bye bye.